everyone, welcome back to our channel, and our featured property for today is not a residential but a known vacation rental here in Pampanga. Summer is just around the corner and just in time for you to learn more about this income generating property. So stay tuned and please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more updates on our videos. This is your host Anna and we're at Blueprint Properties Pampanga. Welcome to Casa Isabela. And here in front, very straightforward. As you can see, industrial ang architectural design nitong ating property. This is 160 square meters lot area with two properties. Both are income generating vacation rentals. And why are they selling it? Magmamigrate po ang ating owner sa US. But when you purchase this property, they will be also training kung sinong gustong mag-purchase ng property natin. Sa mga nasa Pampanga, this is known, established na yung name nitong Casa Isabela. And income generating, so it's a good investment, lalo-lalo na malapit na ang summer. So let's start. I would like to introduce to you, ito ang ating bedroom, ang 4-bedroom casa and ang ating loft pool villa. Kaya mauna tayo dito sa ating loft pool villa. Let's go. At pagpasok mo, sige, dito tayo muna. Of course, you have a parking area. This is parking for one. This loft pool villa can accommodate up to 8 packs. At ayan nga, meron kang covered na garage or parking area. Kung nakikita nyo, may mga slippers na tayo dyan. So ready na talaga siya for business. They're just gonna transfer everything to you. Pag akyat mo, this is your porch. And you have your dipping pool. Dipping pool, and where I'm standing at, your shower area. This is a 4x3 meter na pool, and I think it's 4 feet, if I'm not mistaken, pero yun. Ito ay good for 8 packs as I mentioned. Pero if you want you need more space or you need more rooms, you can also rent the other one. Kasi meron kang daan dito papunta doon. Pero mamaya ko na papakita yung kabila. Let's focus on your loft pool villa. You have here, this is your lanai with a solid wood table. At ito sa likod, nandyan yung laundry area. Meron kang wash and dry na washing machine, and then yung caretaker kasi dito rin siya nagsistay. They're also open for Airbnb. So very income generating talaga siya. It's just that the entrepreneur needs to migrate to the US. Kaya lang niya kailangan bitawan yung property natin. So mag-start na tayo pagpasok natin. You have a solid door with black handle. Very obvious. Pagpasok mo, ayan. So makita mo dito, meron kang clear glass window dyan. So you can see your pool dito sa yung foyer or your receiving area. Ang bango, amoy hotel. Lahat ng makikita nyo kasama na. Kasi nga, this is for staycation. So lahat ng mga, lahat yan kasama, your ref, your microwave, kasama na. And as you can see, dito sa side na to, nandito rin yung Casa Isabela password, reminders, your social media. So you don't really need to, start from the scratch when you market this property or this vacation rental because established na ngayon niya. Meron pa tayong mga house rules dyan. You also have your range hood. If you want to cook sa loob, pwede naman. Meron ka na nga mga dyan, mga alcohol, hand wash, dishwashing liquid. Ito yung lanay natin. Diyan tayo nag-stay kanina nung pumasok tayo. Grabe yung lakas ng aircon, ang lamig ko. Pagpasok mo, very straightforward lang din siya. Everything is included. The TV, lahat yan included. I mentioned yung kanina, yung ref and your microwave, both are included. This is your pantry. Utensils are also included. So, kailangan mo lang dalhin ang family mo at ang food kung ano man ang gusto nyo lutuin. Kasama po yun lahat. This is a barn door where, ayan, dito yung iyong full bath. Alam mo, gustong-gusto ko yung mga gustong-gusto ko yung mga mirrors niya. Kasi for this one, your vanity mirror has a note, you look amazing, Casa Isabel. Taas naman, you're beautiful, you're awesome. So, your affirmation, daily affirmation in front of you. Na-share ko lang. Your, your sink, of course, yung iyong toilet, shower, may heater na rin. May heater tayo, of course. Shower, rain shower, your hand shower. Meron ka na rin dispenser dyan for your soap and for your body wash. Shampoo, conditioner. Your living area. Ayan, meron kang sofa dito. Nandyan yung iyong TV. Meron kang mga speaker, may mga games. Included lahat yan. And ang cute nito, added ano to, upuan mo or just design. Pag akyat mo, since this is loft, full villa, so loft type po yung sa taas natin. Oh, loft type pero spacious. Here, so you have a mattress dito. Good for two, kasha. Ayan, dito ako sa routine mo, ang ganda. Meron kang view deck. Kita mo sinong nandyan or magtatawag ka, matulog na kayo mga bata. Pwedeng pwede. Tapos ang ganda ng ating drop lights. Pang, ano talaga, pang vacation vibe. Pagdating dito, everything is included. I mentioned, of course, your aircon. Lahat included. And as you can see, ganito ang setup kapag nag-rent ka dito sa villa. Yan din yung makikita nyo sa mga marketing materials or sa mga pictures niya online in Facebook and towels are included. Yan. Diba? So ready na talaga siya for rent. Both are queen size bed. Kasya nga 3 dito eh. Ayan. So if this is not enough for you during your vacation, 'di ba? Pwede naman dun ka sa isa. The 4 casa or the 4-bedroom casa doesn't have a pool, but it has more rooms at mas malaki siya, and also the owner mentioned that income generating din siya, not just for renting the whole casa, but for Airbnb. Napaparent nila siya ng per room. Yun. So, if you're gonna purchase this property, hindi mo lang siya bibilin as a property, but ang binibili mo is even the marketing, the clients na nag-book, no, from the time that you purchase the property, nagsa-start na yung pag-earn mo dun sa property. This property they started their marketing and their planning 2021 at nagkaroon sila ng first na client in 2022. And from then, oh yeah, I think doon ako nag-check in 2022, 2023. Lagi silang fully booked. Talaga. Labas tayo dito so I can show you. Ito, meron tayong door dito. Ang clever nito, oh. Diba? Galing-galing ni architect. Ito ang iniisip ko yung yung term na gagamitin ko para ang lihim na pintuan papunta sa kabilang villa. Okay, elevated porch. Ito yung solid door, pero papakita ko muna yung carport natin. Doon sa kabila, you have one carport. Ay, ang ganda ng area dito, oh. Diba? Pwede ka pa magdagdag ng plants kung mahilig ka sa plants. Diba? You have 2 carport naman dito. Spacious, pwede po yung van, kasha. May faucet na dyan. And then, of course, may mga slippers na rin. At meron ka ditong family area. Get tayo sa family area mo. Ang ganda nitong mirror, oh. Main character energy. You can add more plants here. This is your auxiliary kitchen. May table, sink. I believe, yes, nandito yung mga natin, cooking materials. May rice cooker kettle, may mga glasses. O, nandiyan na rin. Meron ka na rin griller dito. So, lahat ng nakikita mo ngayon, lahat yan included. May mga pots tayo dyan. Add more plants here, pwede. This is your family area. And ito yung paakyat sa mga rooms. This is a storage room. Oh yeah, pag binuksan ko siya, you'll just see storage. You just see stuff inside. Yeah, mga mineral waters or diba? Pagpasok mo dito, yan, this is your living area. This is your common living area. Aircon is included, of course. The fan. Buksan ko to para makita nyo, ha, pag pumasok. Yan, yung kanina. Ang laki pala nitong door. Walang na-notice. And then also, again, lahat ng nakikita nyo included. TV, speaker, lahat. Ref, aircon, Wi-Fi, kasama. Yung posters, kasama. Same, you have your sink, your range hood, you have your microwave. Meron ka ring mga... Ay, sorry po. Ay, nasa labas pala kanina. Nasa labas yung iyong mga plates, mga glasses. Nandun sila. And pots, nandun na rin. Dito rin, you have your full bath. O, di ba, tignan mo. Oh, honey, you glow. Diba yung affirmation mo every morning? Sink, dispenser, same, heater, shower. Spacious siya. Spacious siya. Diba? Yan. May dustbin ka pa. Stainless steel lang yung sink. Hala. Labas tayo para makita niyo yung mga rooms natin. Pwede ka maglagay ng water dispenser dito. Ganda ng pwesto. Pag akyat mo, meron siyang 4 bedrooms. Susundan na lang natin ng 1, 2, 3, 4. Ayan, makita mo yung door natin. Pwede siyang card, passcode, and fingerprint. So if you're gonna, if meron gustong mag-rent ng Airbnb, you can rent it per room. Marami din daw mga nagre-rent sa kanila per room. Kasi this property is 15-minute drive to Clark International Airport. So malapit lang siya. Pasok tayo. This is your bedroom 1. Bedroom 1 has a full bed. Aircon, of course, and this is included. Ay, ano to kasi? Storage room ng mga linens and mga pillows. Yan. Ito naman ay, this is your full bath. Charan. Charan. Oh. Tignan mo yung mirror. Your golden naman siya. Diba? With heater, shower set, stainless steel shower set, your sink, ang ganda o industrial. And your toilet. So, this bedroom has an ensuite toilet and bath. TV is included. Room number 2. Room number 2, yan. Clean room lang tayo. Pero ang luwang, no? Kasya ang 4. This can accommodate 4 packs. Kasi, if yung Love Villa can accommodate up to 8 packs, this 4-bedroom casa naman can accommodate up to 12 people. So, dito 4 kasya. Towels included, diba? Very bohemian and boho yung style natin. Vacation vibe talaga. 3 is a twin room or kakambal lang ng kabilang room pala, I mean. Same design. Pang 4 packs din. Aircon included. Lahat yan included. Ganda. Oh, tingnan mo. Super, super linis. May extra mattress pa nga dun sa baba, oh. Kung gusto mong magdagdag pa dito. Diba? That's bedroom 3. This is your bathroom. So, you have 2 bathrooms dito sa floor na to. You have your, yung 1 room na meron sariling toilet and bath, 1 room with ensuite toilet and bath, and then you have 2 bathrooms and 3 bedrooms. Pagpasok mo, yan, straightforward lang din. Oh, you look amazing naman siya ngayon. Yan. Included. Lahat ng nakikita niyo. At ang ganda ng mirror natin dyan. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda. Very nice. Another bathroom. Kamukhang-kamukha lang din niya. This time, hello beautiful naman siya. Nag-picture ako dyan kanina. Share ko lang. Last room tayo. Doon tayo sa bedroom 4. This is our bedroom 4. Yung unang pag-akit. Sinugdan lang natin eh, talaga. Oh, okay. Alright. So, this is our bedroom 4. At good siya for 2 packs. Aircon. Very industrial. Alam mo, maganda sa industrial design. Very rustic siya. So, hindi siya yung super neat. Like, di ba pag Scandinavian or yung mga country style, kailangan something. Ano yung mga super neat yung tignan. But this one, very rustic siya. So, pwede po sa mga kids na nandyan. And, okay. Let's go back para sa ating recap and for other information regarding the purchase of this property. Let's go. And for our recap, just a short introduction to what Casa Isabela is. Casa Isabela was established in 2021 and fully operational siya in 2022. Doon nag-start yung kanilang mga bookings. It is well known here in Pampanga. So pag nag-search ka ng mga staycation, even on TikTok, you'll see people tagging Casa Isabela and really have good reviews. So when it comes to marketing, no, wala na tayong problem with that because established na siya in Facebook and also in Instagram and also sa TikTok. No? This is a 160 square meters lot area with 2 properties. Both are for vacation rentals. You have your 4-bedroom casa and your loft pool villa. Kung nasan tayo ngayon, ito yung kanilang loft that can accommodate up to 8 packs. And your 4-bedroom casa naman can accommodate up to 12 packs. Ayan, other details are as follows. Dito sa ating loft pool villa. Yan. At ito naman po para sa ating 4-bedroom casa. Okay, doon sa amount na makikita nyo sa ating description, this also includes yung training and other documents pertaining to the Airbnb or the rental of the property. So, hindi nyo na yun kailangan problemahin kasi ititrain na nila kayo. And also, the caretaker, siya pa rin yung kasama nila ever since na nag-open. So, kabisado na niya how things are done here in the casa. At you can also hire that person para ma-maintain natin yung, yung operation ng Casa Isabela. Another thing, this property's location is just 15-minute drive to Clark Freeport Zone or 15-minute drive to Clark International Airport. Kaya marami din po mga nag-rent dito for Airbnb kasi nga malapit lang siya sa airport. If you're interested, please message us on Facebook. You can catch us on our Facebook page, that's Blueprint Properties Pampanga. Instagram account, Blueprint Properties Pampanga. Follow us on TikTok, BP Pampanga. At you can also follow me on TikTok, Enalalu, at sa Instagram, Enalalu. So we'll be posting clips or reels bago pa ito ma-post ng full video dito sa YouTube channel natin. Kaya kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more updates on our videos. This is your host, Enna, and we're Blueprint Properties Pampanga, where your house. Vacation rental. Hindi naman ako prepared. 100. Ay, sandali, naririnig yung tricycle. Pag-akyat, bakit kasi ngayon ako nag-long dress naman?